All right, the first thing we're going to do is set up our project. So here in the terminal, let's run npm create vite at version 4.1.0. Now we're going to call this game-hub. Now for the framework, we're going to use React with TypeScript. All right, next we need to cd into this folder, install all our dependencies, and then run our web server with npm run dev. Nothing new so far. So we have a basic React application running on localhost. Now I've opened this project in VS Code. Now before we write any code, we should first initialize a Git repository so we can version our code as we go. You don't need to know much about Git here, just follow the commands I'm going to show you, okay? So here in the embedded terminal in VS Code, we run git init to initialize a Git repository. Then we type git add period to add all the changes in the current directory to the staging area. And finally, we type git commit -m, and in double quotes, we type a message like initial commit. Good. So now all our files are in a Git repository. As we write code and make changes to this project, we make new commits to version our code.